everyone. Okay, now I definitely cannot come up with an inspiring first line that will engage you for the rest of my speech. So I've decided to start with the second line instead. It started with Shaheen and Romana reading our Dr. Seuss at Kalidas. No, wait. It started with Gaurav interviewing my mom while I was completing the formalities on my first day at Flame. Wait, actually, if I was truthfully honest though, the madness started when I got my acceptance email and suddenly had to think of how I would convince my parents that doing a master's wasn't a good idea anymore. The fellowship program is a roller coaster ride. It's been and will continue to be exhausting and exhilarating all at the same time. Through our journey, I know for a fact that all of us have changed so much. From a collab member who was always second-guessing himself, Furqan Ahmed has now co-led Mission 2018. Who would have rather died before touching food with his unwashed hands, was placed in a school in Jahangirpur. I'm sure he'd be glad to share stories with you. I, on the other hand, now have a color-coded calendar that my school and college friends refuse to acknowledge. I walked in, straight out of college, angry and ready to solve a problem. I walked in believing that our policies just needed to be changed. I walked in believing that I had to bring that change. I mean, if not me, then who? It didn't take very long for me to figure out that these 2 years would be a tedious process of unlearning and relearning. I learned that as much as I love making new friends, it actually stems from a more personal need of the personal need to feel wanted. I learned that the reason I could not stand it when my kids' parents would be roadblocks for that child's road to excellence was actually because I was angry with myself for not working hard enough. I realized that even though my kids were learning so much from me, I was learning so much more from them. Leena and Anushka taught me perseverance by never giving up until they got it right. Varsha and Yashoda taught me compassion by never leaving the classroom without hugging me goodbye, no matter how hard it was. More than changed me, my fellowship journey made me realize who the real me is. Vaishali recently asked me what I missed the most about the fellowship, and it didn't take me 2 seconds to say the spaces. We all have ours. The classrooms, the magic that we witnessed in it. The cafes at NKT where Akanksha, Sanjeevani and I spent hours planning. The middle room in 304, oh wait, is it 302? That we always remembered for brainstorming and brainstorming meetings. A90 Adarsh Nagar, that was our LC home. And like Neela put it, it's like the house from Friends where everyone just came to hang out. Or for that matter, even Nivridi's home, where I hope to see all of you tonight. As our fellowship journey comes to an end, I would like all of you to take the next few moments to close your eyes and think about that one person or that one incident that truly defined your fellowship. I sincerely hope you don't have an answer. I hope that your journey, like mine, was one of a million tiny stories. I hope you are leaving from here, like I am, with a bag full of memories. Memories of fireworks and institute friends. Of sessions that changed you, LDCs that made you question everything. Surprise classroom observations that made you think faster on your feet than you ever have. Of calls and dances during the transitions. Of conversations at Chaiwalas that opened your mind. Of deadlines that pushed you to find that 25th hour. Of frantic calls to PMs about important life decisions like should we go to the next city conference. Of our most important values in class, teamwork, courage, compassion, perseverance, and through all of it, respect. Of clothes covered in chalk powder and voices that will take at least 2 years to come back to work. Didi makes you want to cringe, but Didi done makes you proud of 5, 4, 3, 2. Of stories of your children that kept you up at night. That one kid, or maybe in your case, more than one, who just wasn't being allowed to come to school because work at the parlor was more important. Of friends who made you forget the art of small talk. And friends who know me well enough to put bets to see if I'm going to cry or not on stage tonight. I know one of my year leave without regrets. But as we wait for the curtain call, I hope we leave with regrets. I wish that we leave with regrets of not having done enough. Because only then will we push for that one day which is going to meet us soon. It will push us to make our dreams of those newspaper headlines in the year 2036 become an actual reality. With the energy in this room, I cannot even doubt the possibility of it. We were the batch that brought Slam Out Loud and Carpe Diem and Culture. We were the batch that made Race to Mission 2018 possible. We were the batch that pushed for greater goals at KKM, Umang and Halchal. We are the batch that is going to join an alumni movement of over 1,000 alums to make our dreams for our students come true through everything that we do every day. I would like to end with the words of a great poet and philosopher of our time. सब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है।